Hi, it's Emily. Thank you so much for clicking this video. So for today, I'm going to be doing the 4th video in my Zodiac series, and this video is going to be on the Taurus. Since the Taurus sign goes from April 20th to May 20th, this is the perfect time to make this video. And I wanted to create this all over brown earthy look to help celebrate the sign with this little pop of green on the bottom, which is the ColourPop and Kathleen Lights pigment in the bowl. And that's just to help celebrate the sign and also give it that little pizzazz. The Taurus is an earth sign, and so they're very grounded and humble, and they're also known for their extreme loyalty. I have a lot of Tauruses in my life. My boyfriend is a Taurus, his brother is a Taurus, and also my nephew, and so I love Tauruses, and I feel like I really understand the sign pretty much throughout, and I just love having them around. They really are a loyal sign, and once they love you, they will stand by your side forever, and they will stand up for you no matter what. Tauruses always like to keep it real, and they're never about any of those fake shenanigans, and that's also why I love the Taurus. But overall, I created this look to help celebrate the Taurus, and I really hope that any Tauruses out there enjoy it and think that helps represent them well. If you are a Taurus, make sure to comment down below what your favorite quality of your sign is, or if you're not a Taurus, just comment down below what your sign is in general. Also, make sure to link in my description down below all my previous Zodiac videos so you guys can see those, and please give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it, and also subscribe if you haven't joined already so you don't miss any of my future videos. And let's jump into the look. So I started off with my base contour and brows already done, and I'm going to be using the Morphe 35R palette today, but like usual, you don't have to use the same products as me. You can always just use similar colors. So since I have my eyelids already primed, I'm first going to be going in with this really light brown shade here at the top. I'm then going to start building up the depth and warmth, and I'm going to be going in with a slightly darker and warmer color here at the bottom of the palette. I did grab a smaller tapered blending brush for this color, and I am going to make sure to keep it lower in the crease than the high colors so I can start bringing all the darker colors closer to the lid. I'm then going to go into the previous brush that we used and blend out those edges. So since the Taurus is a more earthy, humble, and grounded sign, I wanted to make this overall look more earthy and grounded instead of more glamorous and sparkly. And so I'm going to go in with a dark brown on this palette to start building that up on the inner part of my lid. And after I have that color built up to what I want, I'm going to blend out those edges and then do the same on the other eye. I'm then going to go into my lower lash line, and I'm going to take the same chocolate brown that we used on the lid and put that just on the very outer corner of the lower lash line. I'm then going to smudge that all out with the lighter brown that I used for the crease. I'm then going to be going in with the ColourPop and Kathleen Lights loose pigment in the bowl, and I'm going to be picking that up on my brush, spraying it with some setting mist, and then putting that on my lower lash line. I'm then going to also put a little bit of that pigment in my inner corners. I then want to add just a slight sheen to the top lid just to help balance it out with the sparkle on the lower lash line, and I'm going to be going in with dark chocolate shade right here. Then I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone and inner corner, and I'm just going to be using this lightest shade of highlight in the palette right here. I'm then just going to quickly pop on mascara. Then for my blush, I'm going to be going in with the Morphe Cool Pro palette. I'm going to be mixing the two colors Sexy and It Girl. I wanted to have a golden highlighter that would go with the makeup look, and so I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Geek and Kathleen Lights highlighter palette, and I'm going to be using the color in Nightlight. I'm then going to be going in for my lips, and first I'm going to be using the Maybelline Matte Lipstick in Hot Sand. I'm then going to be going on top of that with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and Fenty Glow. And here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a comment down below of if you're a Taurus, what your favorite quality of your sign is, or if you're not, just what your sign is in general. Also make sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss any of my future zodiac videos, and I'll also make sure to link those in the description down below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!